This video demonstrates how to replace the rear drive of a PowerProtect DP4400. For this replacement, a shutdown is not required. Before you begin, please refer to the service procedure guide for detailed information and safety instructions. Before you attempt to remove or install a hard drive while the system is running, see the documentation for the storage controller card to ensure that the host adapter is configured correctly. Use the Web UI's help screen or the ACM command line to identify the failed drive. At the command line, use the command show FRU disk to see a list of all disks and their status. In our example, the drive ID 12 failed and should be replaced. Push the blue slide release lock tabs forward on both rails and slide the system out of the cabinet to be able to access the back of the system. At the back of the system, press the release button to open the hard drive release handle. Holding the handle, slide the hard drive out of the slot. Remove the screws on both sides of the drive cage. Pull the cage away from the drive. Place the new hard drive on the cage and tighten the screws on both sides. Slide the hard drive into the drive slot until it connects to the backplane. Close the hard drive release handle to lock the drive in place. Push the blue slide release lock tabs forward on both rails and slide the system back into the cabinet. When the system is powered on, the hard drive automatically begins to rebuild. This process can take up to 8 hours to complete. You are prompted when the rebuild is completed. Thank you for watching.